Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Hyundai ix35 active, stock reference number 4987. This shape runs from the 11th month 2009 through to the 1st month 2016. It has a G4KD 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. GK4D 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, left power door mirror. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left rear door has 3 small dents. Left rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage with camera. Right-hand tail light, right-hand tailgate garnish. Right rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has 3 small dents. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.